good selection of berries to grow in containers. So paying a little more for a plant that's been hybridized instead of taking a berry that's designed for the ground to get huge. They've been hybridized to grow better in containers, yield you a really good amount of fruit though, and also look pretty as well, especially the blueberries. Different sized foliage, a lot of them turn a real pretty auburn kind of burgundy color in the fall as the seasons change. And then in the spring as they leaf out, really pretty blooms to it as well. So growing berries on the deck with these particular varieties isn't just about the berry, it's also quite a nice ornamental plant as well. Got a few different types of blueberry, got a raspberry and a blackberry as well, again for containers on the patio. So a really nice way to take advantage of that space, especially on your patio, close to your house. It's going to look pretty as you grow, and you're going to grow some fresh fruit for yourself as well. They can end up in very big urns if you want. They don't have to. They can stay in like a 10 or a 12-inch pot as well. So come on out, look around. We look forward to seeing you at the farm.